Hey guys, it's Ryan from Course Motorsports. Today we're sitting in a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta and we're going to be installing our direct fit phone mount. So there's a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a trim tool like this that's available on our website. And you're going to need a T20 Torx bit like this one. You're going to want to remove this silver trim first, and then this whole piece comes off to reveal the screw we're going to put the mount on. So we're going to get started. We're going to get our trim tool right in this corner here is the easiest place to start, and give it a twist, and that'll pop off. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips you're going to have to get to. And it's easiest to just start, work your way down. That, and there's a couple tethers. This one tends to pop out. This one's going to hold it in until you get this last clip out. So that's the hardest one to get out. Go from the bottom like that and pry like that. And then you can go to the right and the trim should come right off like this. These little rubber pieces tend to go flying. Actually, we just lost one. They just go over these little plastic bits. They just slip on like that. So if you do lose one, just put them right back on, no big deal. Put that aside. Then we'll take our T20. We're going to take off 1, 2 screws. I like to put them right in this tray so we don't lose them. And then you can take your vent off. You can just reach these little black tabs and pop that guy right out. Just comes out in one piece. Set that up top, and then you can open your glove box and grab this trim. And it comes out with some force, but all you have to do is just pull. You can wiggle it a little bit, and it'll all come off just like that. You can set this piece aside. You're gonna take this one out, put it in the cubby like that. And then we're gonna take our bracket. It's gonna look like this. This goes in here, in this orientation like that. And the screw you just took out through the hole. Get your T20 on there, line it back up, and do the reverse. Tighten that down like that. We're going to take our big piece of trim here, line all your clips back up, and just pop them right back into place like that. And put your 2 screws back in. One. 2. Close that glove box. Then you're going to put the vent back in, and there's 4 metal clips around the outside of it that just clip into the dash like that. Take our trim, and your tethers have to go in, and then the whole piece goes in and over. Once it's in like this, just take your line your clips up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the bracket itself is installed. Next, we're going to open our box of goodies. Open this up. There's going to be an alcohol pad you can use to clean the back of your phone if you do need to adhere the metal ring. Then there's going to be a course sticker, QR code on the back that'll take you to our website. Here is that metal ring that you can stick to the back of your phone if it's not MagSafe. We have a MagSafe device today, so we can skip this. First thing we're going to take out is the ball. Take that out and just thread it on by hand. And take your Allen wrench out and snug it up just like that. Next thing we're going to do is take our head option out of the little baggie. There's going to be a locking collar on the back. Go ahead and take that all the way off, slip it over your ball, and take your head, pop it onto the ball, and tighten the locking collar down. Angle this wherever you'd like it. And then just take your phone, put it on.